The ProStar. Purpose-built, precision-obsessed. This is the world's most respected water ski boat, refined for today's skiers and ready for the next generation. Underneath, a meticulously designed hull bottom, developed by our in-house naval architects, delivers the flattest wakes in the industry. With its precise rocker line and surface area and exacting chines and steps, the ProStar produces minimal spray and a cleaner, more consistent pool at every speed and line length. Proprietary hull rails and 4 tracking fins work in tandem to provide true centerline tracking without sacrificing agility, giving the driver razor-sharp control even under pressure. Simply put, it's the easiest ski boat to drive and the most precise, predictable pool in the industry. Step inside and it's all about intention. A redesigned motor box improves airflow and performance while reducing noise. The interior layout maximizes space with thoughtful details like a convertible judge's seat, optional rear seating, and smart, accessible storage. And with all new soundstage audio and an optional subwoofer, you get clear, directional sound that's just as premium as the rest of your setup. At the helm, a sleek 10-inch touchscreen with 3 event software and a low-profile dash puts total control at your fingertips, while the ergonomic captain seat keeps you locked in and comfortable from first pass to last. Standard power comes from the 6-liter MPI engine, delivering 373 horsepower and proven reliability. Or step up to the 6.2-liter GDI for even more horsepower, torque, and performance, all backed by the industry's best warranty and the legendary Elmore name. Add your choice of colors, upholstery, flooring, audio, tower, and trailer options, and you've got a boat that's just as dialed as you are. This is the ProStar, driven by precision, built for progression, only from MasterCraft. Looking for a deeper dive into all the ProStar has to offer? Head to our site to learn more.